Hey there, small business owners. Have you ever wondered why having a website is super important for your business? Let's find out together. You might think that social media is enough these days, but having your own website can make a huge difference, and here is why. First, a website makes your business look more professional. It shows you're serious and trustworthy. Imagine you're looking for a bakery online. Which one looks better, a Facebook page or a well-designed website? A website gives your business a strong first impression and makes people more likely to trust you. Second, you have full control over your websites. Social media platforms can change how they work at any given time. They might change their rules or how your posts are shown to people, but with your own website, you're in charge. You decide what to show and how it looks. This means your customers can always find what they need, like sales, new products, or important info without any confusion. Third, a website is pretty much open 24/7. Even when your store is closed, people can visit your site anytime to learn about your local business, see what you offer, and even make purchases. It's like having a salesperson who never sleeps. This is especially great for busy customers who might only have time to shop or book services after hours. Fourth, a website makes it easy for customers to find and contact you. You can put all your important info in simply one spot: your address, your phone number, your email, and even a map to your location. This makes it super easy for customers to get in touch and visit you. Lastly, a website helps people find you on search engines like Google and Bing. When someone searches for your type of business, having a website increases the chance they'll find you. This means more new customers discovering what you have to offer. So while social media is great for connecting with people, your own website does so much more. It makes your business look more professional, gives you full control, stays open pretty much all the time, and helps customers find you, boosting your chances of being found online. Remember, your website is like your business's home on the internet. Make it welcoming, make it informative, and watch your business grow. Of course, if you don't have a website for your local business yet, be sure to check out MartySite. MartySite is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that free trial. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it informative, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about MartySite, pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. Do check out our other videos. You'll find loads of valuable information on marketing your local business. And I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success.